Yo, this is how you make steak fried rice. Ooh.
Ooh, look at that.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Chef Chris Cho out here. Today we're about to show you how to make some steak fried rice. So you ever have leftover steak? Like for me, sometimes I can't finish a whole piece of a steak, right? So I have leftover. Or sometimes I go out to a restaurant and I'll just order a lot and we just have some leftover steak that we bring it home, you know? Alright, so besides the steak and rice, all we really need is some eggs, scallion, onion, and some garlic. Oh, by the way, what do you guys think about my new studio? Alright, so first thing first, we're gonna chop up some onion, about a quarter onion. Boom, boom, chop, chop. The eggs on this one. And one scallion. We're gonna actually cut a little extra more because we're gonna decorate it at the end, okay? And you could chop up some garlics too, but you know, I got my frozen garlic here. This will be just good to be used, you know? And if you guys haven't checked it out, check out the recipe how to make these. So do not make steak fried rice with your actual steak, because I honestly think steak is as good as it is. This is a leftover steak fried rice, all right? So I got my perfectly cooked steak right here. Shout out to my man Dustin, he actually cooked it. Boom.
That looks fire.
Alright, so we're gonna cube the steak fried rice. You can cut it into smaller pieces, but I like a little big chunk of steak in my fried rice, you know? Alright, boom. So tip number 1, 1-to-1 ratio from rice and everything else. So here goes 1 bowl of rice and everything else here should be fitting into a bowl as well. So 1-to-1, that's tip number 1. Okay, don't forget. I just had a full out steak yesterday. My man Dustin cooked it and I had some leftover steak. So I was like, why not make some steak fried rice? And matter of fact, we just made how to make the perfect rice video just last week. So I'm like, all right, let's make steak fried rice. We got steak and we made rice just the other day. So boom, that's how I came up with it. And if you guys haven't actually checked out the how to make rice video, make sure to click the link. Go check it out. Boom. All right, so high heat, splash the oil. All right, so we're gonna throw 2 eggs in there. One hand, baby. All right, we're gonna scramble that joint up. Alright, high heat again. Splash the oil. Tip number 2, your fried rice should finish within 5 minutes. Once your ingredients are ready, it's just boom, bam, 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 all ready to go, alright? So we're gonna go about a 2 tablespoons of scallion. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Half a tablespoon of garlic. Alright, now we're gonna throw in our steak. Ooh. Also, I'm gonna throw in our onions. Alright, so we're about 1 minute in. We gotta finish within 4 minutes, alright?
See that?
Alright, we don't want to overcook the steak because steak was cooked perfectly yesterday. Now we're gonna throw in our 1-day-old rice. Look at that. Tip number 3, make sure to break all your rice up to every little pieces. You don't want little clumps like this. We're gonna throw a tablespoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now polka that joint up. Alright, now throwing back your eggs. Tip number 4, the reason we scramble our egg is because you don't want a wet ass fried rice. By scrambling the egg and putting it to the side and putting it at the end, you let the rice and egg all dance separately, just like that. Ooh, you see what I mean? Alright, give that a quick taste. Depending how your steak was seasoned, you could salt to taste and pepper to taste. And lastly, I'm gonna finish it with a tablespoon of sesame seed. Ooh. Look at that. Alright, so this is the last tip. Food is all about the taste, but it's also about presentation. So this is the real secret right here. Move all your fried rice into a bowl. I'll pack that joint up. Alright, while we're presenting that, I'm just gonna make some eggs on the side.
What you want to do is you want to put the plate right on top of the bowl like this and then flip over just like that. Ooh, look at that.
I'm telling you, if you make this for your friends and family, they're gonna love you forever. Then you're gonna throw a perfectly cooked egg right on top of your fried rice, just like that. Remember the extra scallion we cut up? This one right here. And lastly, we're gonna hit it with that sesame seed.
Moment of truth. Ooh, look at that. That's how you make some steak fried rice. Ooh.
Mmm. Mmm. Say the steak, the scallion, the egg. This is a masterpiece right here. That's why I say fried rice has to be done in 5 minutes. The second your steak hits the pan, you gotta finish it within 5 minutes because you don't want to overcook your steak either. So steak fried rice is one of my most viewed recipes. It's got about 22 million views, but I've actually never made a recipe about this on YouTube. I have it on TikTok, I have it on Instagram, I have it on Facebook. So I decided to recreate this for YouTube because it seems like people really love this recipe. Who don't like steak and who don't like fried rice? You know what I mean? Comment below. Let me know what you guys think about the new studio and the steak fried rice. As always, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, I'm a sale.